Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and today's video I'll show you on how to link your Windows PC to Microsoft account. So let's see. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are free new to this channel, remember click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. All right, so the very first thing you need to do is to make sure you log in with your Microsoft account username and password. After you have logged into your account, it's secure right here. And the next thing you need to do is to simply go to devices right here, click on that, and it's going to open up like so. Next thing you need to do is to simply click on register device. Then you'll be presented with simple form like so. So enter the serial number of your Surface, Xbox, or related accessories to see its warranty status and create service order. To ensure you have the correct serial number, select your device from the list. Help me find my serial number. So if you don't know your serial number, you can simply click on find my serial number, then choose your product, whether Surface, Xbox, Surface and Xbox accessory, etc. Then other devices, then select on that. Then select your country right here. So once you select your country, then enter your number right here and click on I accept the terms of privacy and agreement, and then click on confirm, and your account, your PC is going to be registered with Microsoft account. So this is one of the great security you can give your PC, because if your PC gets stolen, you can easily track the PC with this your Microsoft account, for the fact that you have already linked the PC with your Microsoft account. It's as simple as that. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye.